Welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe, and if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. So yeah, I'm back again with my entrepreneurial, I always say that wrong, but entrepreneurial vlog. This is episode 9. This is not a vlog, but it's a how-to video. So yeah, and I'm talking about how to grow your Instagram business page. Like, I would say 70% of my sales, they come from Instagram, which is like my main advertising platform, because I only use Instagram to advertise my business, so, and YouTube as well, but majority of my sales come from Instagram. So I don't necessarily have a lot of followers. I have almost 2,000, 1,972 ish, I think. But the tips that I have today, it has helped me grow my Instagram page, and yeah, I'll be sharing it with you guys because I'm a nice person. So the first tip that I would say is that you should be consistent. Like, post regularly, post often. I try to post every single day, but like sometimes you just don't have the time, you don't have the energy, you just can't be bothered. But that's fine. You can always post like every other day. Just make sure that you're consistent, not once a week, not twice a week, at least. Like, there are 7 days in a week. Post at least 5 times a week. Like, that's like the barest minimum that you can do. And on top of posting, the second thing that you should do is that you should engage. Don't just post your business pictures and go. You need to like a few pictures, and you need to comment, and you need to just make sure that people know that you're alive, you know. Just make sure you post good pictures. Make sure you engage with your followers. Like, if they comment something, reply to the comments. You're not famous yet, so you need to calm down. So yeah. And the next tip is that your content quality should be great. If the picture is grainy and looking awkward and the lighting is not good, don't post it. Wait until you have a better lighting. Take good pictures. Good pictures attracts people. No one wants to like squint their eyes just so they can see your picture. And if your picture is not looking great, like if the lighting is not good, you're not gonna get a lot of likes. But I would encourage you to like take like your product pictures in the sun, because the sun is natural lighting, is subtle, and don't make it too harsh. Don't edit it too much. Don't make it look too fake. Just make sure the picture looks natural and the quality is great, because if the quality is not great, then oh, someone just ordered. Oh my god. And the next, I think this is the fourth way to grow your Instagram business page, is that you should use hashtags. And I don't mean like just look for a random hashtags and just add it to your post. That's not what I'm saying. Look for specific hashtags that is related to your business, because if you post a picture of, for example, I sell lip glosses. So if you post a picture of a lip gloss and you put hashtag cute, hashtag dog, it just makes no sense. But if you put like hashtag lip gloss, hashtag glossy lips, like look for hashtags related to your business, and you will definitely find people that are interested in that, and they'll follow you or like your picture or something. And the last point that I would say is that you should do share for share or shout out for shout out, whatever it's called. And don't just do this with like random people. If there's any like quite famous person and they want it's just an Instagram mention, that's all. Like, there's no product exchange, that there's no money to spend, there's nothing. And if they want to just give you a shout out or something, then don't say no. Also look for like people that are in the same business as yours and ask them if they want to, or like just business owners generally, and ask if they want to like do shout out for shout out or share for share, and you just post each other on your story, and after 24 hours it goes. But like the people that sees the shout out, like they might follow you, they might like your pictures and stuff, you don't know. So yeah, that is my 5 tips, and let me just recap. Be consistent. Your content quality has to be great. You have to engage with your followers, and use hashtags and share for share. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And by the way, there's a giveaway going on my business page. It ends on the 19th of October. Go enter, follow my Instagram, all the details will be down below. I'll put the link, so you just have to click 2 clicks. That's all I'm asking. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other tips that you want to share, please let me know. If you have any questions, let me know as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.